Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and the first you have to open your calendar. Click right here. Right now click here, or just pick the day when you want to set up the event. I'm going for December, so make this gesture to open the days, and I think that we can go for this day. So click on this marker, tap on the event, and right now at the first we have to add the title. When you scroll down, you are also able to set up other things, like we can change, for example, color of our event, we can add people, we can add the location. So there is a lot of things that you can customize. So set up everything like you want, and if you finish, you have to click on the right upper corner on the save button, and as you can see here, we got our event. It's right here. I think it was this one, right? So yeah, this one. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.